Back driver's side taillight shattered.
What the hell happened to this thing? This can come out with some hot water. That can come out with some hot water. I hear Zach's truck.
That is not Zach's truck.
Are you sure about it? Hey, the steering wheel's actually in there.
Yeah, the steering wheel's actually in there.
Oh, no fucking way! Oh my god. We got manual windows in this bitch. And it looks like you're not broke, Joe. You got some quarters and dimes and nickels in there?
Yeah, that is broke. Yeah. You're not broke if you have to carry $100 bills.
I used to carry $100 bills. Dude, the gauges are fucking glowing.
Yeah, I know, that's what they do.
Why?
Because it's how they are. And when it starts up, they turn red and shit.
So what the fuck is this?
It's a CD thing. Look at that.
How many miles? Oh, not that many miles on this bitch.
Huh?
I said not that many miles on here. Hello. Dude, this has aux where?
Yeah.
Like this. Oh my god, it actually has aux. No fucking way. Does the heat work?
Once you start it, everything works in it. Besides that.
Besides this?
Yeah, you have to take care. Look, I'll show you. Okay. The transmission releases. The brakes are cut in the back. The brakes don't work at the moment.
So did you drive it over here?
Storm Lake, we trailered it. And then we drove it around from that driveway over there to here.
I guess we gotta do whatever that fiddling he's doing right there. So why don't you just take the back brakes and hit him with a hammer?
The back brakes
did.
are cut off.
There's no brakes under there.
Why don't you put brake lines back on?
Nice. You want it, right?
Yeah.
1,000.
Yeah, here, let me see the trunk. Well, it'll fit my subs in there.
They'll have some.
Dude, I can fit Zach Sutton's dick back there.
Jesus Christ.
Here goes with the dick.
That's probably where they're hiding their weed at when they got it confiscated.
Yeah, that one is
What the hell is back here,
those
subs?
can be taken out.
Who the
There may or
hell?
may not have been people climbing in there.
Look good?
Yeah, what? Huh?
Interesting?
Yeah. Okay, what did you say about people have not been climbing in and
No,
out?
my little sister was climbing back and forth through the car.
Oh, it wasn't just your little sister.
Okay, let me hear your truck now.
No, that ain't his truck.
My truck's at home.
Why is your truck at home?
Yeah,
Where do you live?
right over there.
I want to hear it.
Hey, so when you'll be here?
Probably next week.
Next week?
Yep. Because I gotta go out of town. Okay, so what's not that Camaro, Camaro, or transsexual?
They're selling them. Don't go over there.
Why?
My dad doesn't know who the hell you are and you gotta get that.
Yeah, but you know who I am.
That doesn't matter. I don't know you very well.
But I'm interested in those transsexuals.
They're not.
I call them that because an old 40-year-old guy would be driving them.
That's. What? I'm not fucking with you.
He said you better fill up your trailer. His trailer was
No
wood.
thanks.
Alright, guess we better move it.
When you gonna be here? This week?
Yep, next Monday.
Next Monday?
Yeah, when do you work? Why don't you just tie a hitch to? Why don't you just hitch it to the car and drive it around?
No. This ain't my trailer. It's his for a wood business.
What wood
We
business?
sell wood.
To make a living, to make money?
Yeah.
Like some.
So you want the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why do you keep on asking me? What motor's in it?
I'm sure.
Is this a Mazda, right? Is this the same thing like a, oh god, what the fuck are those cars? A Miata? Ooh, I know what it is. I can tell you right off the bat. That's the new style of this 1.8.
Nope.
Or is it a 1.6?
2.2.
Bullshit.
Yes, it is.
Where does it say that at?
Manual.
Okay, what?
No, that's just gonna put it back on.
Oh. Yeah, I know.
What are you doing? No, stop it. Stop it. Hold it.
Dude, there's even enough space to put a goddamn turbo on this bitch.
That's because there's other models that do come with a turbo on this.
This kid, take that off.
Huh?
Let's leave that fucking thing off.
Okay, see you next Monday.
Okay. So how old is that battery?
Battery's pretty much brand new, the guy said.
Okay.
It was replaced last year, so
I wonder how much you got. So when do they have car auctions in Storm Lake?
I don't know.
Wasn't it auction?
Wasn't it an auction?
No, it was a Nebraska car dealer that came up to get it.
Oh, so it was in the impound because...
You have a phone?
Yeah, I got Snapchat.
And then add me on Snapchat.
Why don't you add me? My name's Clink Kyle 3. I don't know, I like holding my phone this way because the light shines better.
Okay, what is it?
Clink, K-L-I-N-K. 3. Oh, Clink Kyle 3. That should be one of Zach Sutton's friends. And Trevor and Boom.
Why are you friends with all of them? How are you friends with all of them?
It's a long story. I raced at the racetrack. Yep. It should be Impala Drop Squad. If you click on my name, it should be Impala Drop Squad.
Yeah.
Yep, Chevy Impala Drop Squad. Because I got like 40 Impalas. I just go and buy Impalas. And buy Impalas and buy Impalas.
So next week I can plan on you being here, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm going to demo the fuck out of this car.
As long as it's out of town, I'm fine.
Nope, I'm going to do it in Alta at the racetrack.
Okay, well, as long as it's not around the fucking block, sure.
Why?
I don't want the fucking police showing up down here.
The police won't know it's you.
Because it's registered in the guy's name through Nebraska.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Where's the Nebraska plate?
The guy has it.
Why?
Because, well, the guy that had it in Storm Lake got it impounded, and the guy at the car dealer came to pick it up and then said he was going to sell it to me. And then he blocked me. Want nothing to do with me. So I'll sell it, no title. And it still runs and everything.
So where's the title?
The guy has it.
Why doesn't he give it to you?
I don't know.
I can go get this registered in Connecticut when I go out there because you don't need a title. What year is this?
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you don't need a title.
Alright, see you next time.
Yep, see ya.
Yeah.
1,500.
Check out.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, see you next Sunday.
Yep. You want to sell your truck?
Fuck no.
$2,000.
No.
Come on, dude.
Nope. I
The
need
guy-
that truck.
You could buy a car or another truck for that much.
3,000. Because I'll sell you my Harley.
No.
How much money do you have?
I got $1.5 billion.
Shut the
No, my mom died and she left me an substantial amount of stocks and bonds. She was a stockbroker. She had one of the very first Apple stocks.
Okay,
One
that
of-
was a shit ton.
She had one of the very first Microsoft stocks and IVP stocks and just like stocks everywhere.
Holy shit.
70 stocks total. And I was in the corner crying because I'm a billionaire. You can even ask Zach Sutton. I go buy him beer every weekend.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm his beer man.
Careful, they're gonna kick you out of the gas station and keep you down.
You can actually do that?
What?
Kick you out?
Yeah.
Have you been kicked out before?
No, because I work there.
I almost got kicked out once.
How?
I have a feeling you're being serious about hiding your drugs in the thing.
How did I almost get kicked out?
No, I was saying that's probably how he got his car impounded. It
Oh,
was
probably.
hiding drugs in there. If
You
I
hide Zach's beer in there.
you hide your what in there?
Then you can hide Zach's beer in there.
True, that could be the beer mobile. Dude, 2 kegs, actually 3 kegs could fit in the back seat. Buckle them in, make sure they don't go
Under
nowhere.
the seat.
Okay, Monday.
Yep.
And seal that fucking trunk.
Yep. Hey, what's this design going on right here? Looks
Pretty shabby.
fucking.
Okay, don't show up until next Monday then.
I won't. Dude, that could be a deer stand. it.